Na. Card. David
Card.
card.
Second one.
David.
Card nga, laruan. Toy.
Toy.
Toy. Third one.
Ticket.
Tickets. May letter C.
Ticket. Like the video, if you guess the first three correctly. The fourth one.
Gift.
Regalo, gift. Ay, naunang
Gift.
ako ah.
Fifth one.
Pelikula. Cinema.
Movie.
Movie.
Hindi mo. Wala, magkalakas-lakas eh.
Master friend and compete who scores higher. Sixth one.
Sil.
Sealed.
Sil.
Nanggagaya ka.
Sil.
Sealed nga sa akin. Sealed.
May
May
D?
ED. May ED sa akin.
di lang.
ED nga, sealed.
Oh, sige.
S-E-A-L-E.
Oh, okay na, sige na, tama ka.
Oh, ano
Oh,
sa'yo?
sige, lagi naman kayong tama eh, mga babae.
Seventh one.
Oh, mali ka naman pala eh. Wala, magputi na tayo.
Wala pa. Taas pa rin tayo mali. Stamp. Parehas tayong
Music.
Music.
Music. Camera. Letter C.
Camera.
Anong gagawin
Ninth one.
Sobre card.
Hindi.
Ano?
Sobre.
Sobre ah.
Envelope.
Envelope.
Padaya. Lagi naman kayo panalo eh.
But don't forget to tell me your score in the comment.
Picture.
Picture.
Photograph.
Mali ka. Mali din
At isa ka nakadalawa. Next.
Ano?
Can you translate these 10 words into
Okay na.
English?
Iba na yun
First
eh.
one, let's go.
Okay na yun eh.
Eat.
Oh, ano yun ah.
Di pa tapos.
Eat. Second one.
Sing.
Sing.
Ginagaya mo lang ako ah.
Sing. Third one.
Drink.
Drink. Like the video. If you guess the first three correctly. The fourth one.
Sleep.
Sleep.
Sleep. Fifth one.
Read.
Ano? Wala? Ah?
Read.
Tag your Filipino master friend and compete who scores higher. Sixth one.
Jump.
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 Nung
Seventh
duyo
one.
na. Study.
Study.
Study. Eighth one.
Clean.
Clean.
Clean. Ninth one.
Right.
Right.
Right. Last one. But don't forget to
No.
tell me your score in the comment.
Dance.
Dance. Can you
Oh.
translate these 10 words
Ano
into
yun na?
English? First one, let's go.
Para.
Ah.
Hindi na yan. Tapos na yan
Ay,
eh.
Bar.
tapos.
Second one.
Bar.
Ship.
Ship. Third one.
Bullet.
Bullet.
Bullet
Like
train.
the video. If you guess the first
Bubo. Train lang din naman.
Di ba yung iba yung train niya ng spelling niya para magti-training.
Kanya, Filipino quiz nga, di ka, bubo.
Oo, mayroon pa.
three correctly, the fourth
Alam mo
one.
na tayo natamaan to.
Bangka.
Boat. Yan ang boat.
Boat.
Boat. Fifth one.
Radio.
Radio.